I played Skye for 30 days, this is what I learned. Let's start off with the abilities. Okay, to start off we have Skye's Guiding Light or Flash. So what this does, it has a few options that you can use it with. So the first one being an info flash. Skye will stay blinded when she finds an enemy. The second and more common one is just a pop flash. Pop flashing is best to use like a phoenix flash around corners. Try to mimic that when you're practicing. You can also do it through walls, so you would just flash forward. Except there's no viper wall here, but you get the idea. The last way to use Skye's flashes are fake flashes. Those are the ones you don't pop. Or you can pop them late like this. Where you go like this, and you pop it late. Moving on to the Trailblazer. There's around 2 good ways to use this. So the first would be clearing angles. To efficiently clear angles, you want to jump and look quickly right and left so you can clear as fast as possible. You can also do this while you're attacking, when it's almost dead. The second way to use it would be if you have no flashes or something or want close info. You can jiggle corners and then pounce on people, then you can swing them. But be careful, people can still kill you if they're stunned. Ability 3, called Regrowth. It heals your teammates up to 100 HP. And it is very good because it can heal all of them at once, and if you heal a person you get assists. Lastly we have Skye's ultimate, also known as Seekers, or as I like to call them, cabbages. They are really useful to find enemies, especially when pushing in. You try and coordinate them with your flashes or your dog, so you want to put them both together, so it's a really good chance to blind them and then get the free kill. Now let's talk about the guns to buy a Skye. When defending, you want to buy your heal, and if you're attacking, you most of the time want to buy your dog, unless you're going like Pearl B-site, which dog isn't really useful. I found myself buying the Phantom more than the Vandal because I go for a lot of spray transfers, but on maps like Breeze, I will always buy the Vandal. For eco rounds, the Stinger or the Sheriff are really fine. It's all personal preference at this point. Now let's talk about more advanced things. When you get to higher ranks, people start playing anti-flash, meaning they'll hug a wall. So when they do this, you mainly want to double flash, or ask a teammate to bait for you, then you flash. Another thing to think about is when you're info flashing, if you do it too commonly, sometimes people wait around a corner just so they don't get scanned, so keep an eye out for that. Okay, here are some examples.
Get out of my way! Knocked him.
Take if it's a... Hey man.
One enemy remaining.
In shop, in shop.
Some B.
I'm walling this.
CT, I'm flashing.
One less.
One enemy remaining.
Oh, you haven't.
Don't. I feel.
If this video does well, I'll make a part 2. Also, none of these tips matter if you can't aim, so go click this video. See you there.